yes, Willie Plin was our player, but now he's in the other side. It's the first time that he's in the other side. It's going to be weird. Selamat malam. Tomorrow we're gonna compete against the best team of the league. They have almost the double of the points that we have. At home they never lose. On the Akan Stadium they always win. So we must have a very good performance to collect points and to get a good result. Theoretic, we are playing at home, but we are not playing at home. Borneo is playing at home, is island of Borneo. We hope that tomorrow supporters of PC Makassar can come to support our team, our players, because it's very important, because nobody likes to lose, and last match we create many opportunities and we lose. Now it's another opportunity to try to do best than last match. The football gives this possibility. We love what we do, that is work on the football, and we hope that tomorrow together, players, staff and supporters, we can make a good environment and we can make a good game. Because just make a good game, we can have any chance against Borneo. Borneo this season is very strong, so we must be realistic. We need to be together, the supporters with the team with the supporters, and fight since the first minute until the end.
Terima kasih. Untuk pertandingan besok, saya rasa pertandingan yang sangat berat bagi kita ya, karena kita tahu Borneo sekarang ada di klasemen pertama. Tapi saya dan teman-teman siap bekerja keras untuk meraih poin penuh di pertandingan besok. Dan saya berharap pada supporter agar besok bisa datang dan mensupport kita di sini. Terima kasih.
Yes, it's true. I already answered in the first commentary. Borneo this season are making a fantastic performance. On Batakan he just win. At home this season they just have two draws against Rans and Persib. So means that is a strong team, have many options with quality players. About the second question, yes, Willie Plin was our player, but now he's in the other side. It's the first time that he's in the other side. It's gonna be weird, but tomorrow Willie gonna represent Borneo, and we're gonna represent always PC Makassar, and we know that not gonna be easy, but it's a football match, and we need to be focused since the first minute until the end if we want to have a good performance and a good result.